Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva to create Valentine's Day cards that your kids can fill out and give to their friends. This video was inspired by my own preschool-age daughters who are very excited about doing this in a couple of weeks. So I'm in my Canva account, and I'm just going to do a quick search for Valentine's Day. And we'll see what pops up here when I just do a search for Valentine's Day. We have some Valentine's Day cards, landscape mode. And we can see here we have a whole bunch. We have 351 different templates that are already here. Now, some of these are not appropriate for little kids to give out at preschool. Others are. So it all depends on what you're looking for, but just scroll through and you can find some here. So I'm going to just use this template for now. So we have this one, Valentine's Day greeting card design. Let's customize this template. And we have here, Happy Valentine's Day. And right now, we just have the front of it. And we could customize any aspect of it, but I'm going to duplicate this page. Just duplicate it. And on the back of it, I'm going to put in some space for students to write their name. So I'm going to move this over and I'm going to write from and to, and I'll move that over to line it up. And let's move that text to left justified. And now we have this all lined up so that there's plenty of space for my kids to write their names after the from and to the to spot. Now, this font might be a little tricky for my preschool age daughters to recognize the from and the to. So I'm going to change that out to something a little easier for them to read. Maybe I'll use this Nexus slab font and I'll do from. And I'll do the same thing here in the to space so that it's a little bit easier for them to read. Now, I'm going to print these cards, and you can see here, I can order prints directly from Canva if I wanted to, or I can download these as a PDF, and we can get both pages there. And then when I print them out, I'm going to print them as front and back using the settings on my printer. So that's one option. Now, let's go and look at a different option for making Valentine's Day cards in Canva. You see here, we use Valentine's Day card landscape, but if I just click on the search box again, we'll see there's a whole collection of folded cards so that we can print it all as one page and then just fold it over. And again, we have a bunch of templates here. We have 25 templates. And we can see here, there's some templates that, maybe aren't that great for preschool. So let's pick one and change it out. Let's pick this one, for example. And I'm going to customize it. And I don't want my daughters giving out cards that have that picture on them. So I'm going to delete that picture and put in a heart in its place. So I'm going to delete that. And I'm just going to drag in this heart. So we can use that. Maybe I don't like that one. Let's drag in a different heart. Let's drag in this one here. And let's change the color on that. Let's make it white. And I'm going to remove those lips. I don't want the kissy face on the cards that my daughters are giving out at preschool. And I'm going to take out the to the love of my life. Just going to delete that and just make it Happy Valentine's Day. Now, if my daughters decide, hey, they want, some puppies on the card. Let's get a puppy in there. So I'm just doing a search for a puppy. Let's put that puppy in there. And my other daughter really likes kittens, so let's put in some kittens. We'll use that one there. We'll put those in. Happy Valentine's Day. And again, we can put on the card here some space for them to write to and from. Just drag that up here. To and from. And I'll drag that over to the left-hand side. And so we have our to and from. And then again, we can print using the built-in print option in Canva, where you can order professional prints or download it as a PDF. And before I do that, I should delete this second page. I just want to use this particular page of the template. So that's a couple of ways that you can use Canva to create Valentine's Day cards for your kids to fill out and give to their friends. As always, for more things like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.